queen bee. Want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. My whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trinell, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks that you can use to get your eyebrows looking fabulous. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that right now. Okay, so first of all, you'll need to analyze your eyebrows because, as you know, everyone's eyebrows are shaped differently. Here's an eyebrow chart in which you can use to help you. Your brows may not look exactly like these, but just look to see which eyebrow shape yours comes the closest to. After you have figured out your brow shape, we can begin. The products that you'll need are a brown eyeshadow pencil, a black one, this is optional, a spoolie brush, an angled brow brush, a flat brush, and your favorite concealer. Start by taming your brow hairs using the spoolie brush so that it can be in the right place. Then take your brow pencil and start to draw in the shape of your brows. If you don't have the brow pencil or you just don't want to use that, you can use the pomade. It's totally fine. Make sure to start a few inches away from the beginning of your eyebrows. Don't, and I repeat, don't start at the beginning because it won't look as natural. Then you want to do the same thing at the top of your brows. Try not to go too high with this because you want to stay as close to your brow hair as possible. Grab your angle brush and start to more define your eyebrows. This part really helps you if you struggle with shaping your brows with the pencil. Then take the spoolie brush and brush the beginning of your brows to remove that harshness. As I said, you want to make your brows look as natural as possible. Now, if you only like your brows one color, then you can just skip this part, but I like to add a little bit of black at the end of my brows, right at the arch, just to make it a little bolder. If you want, you can do the same. Now, when it comes to concealing your brows, there are a lot of techniques, but the one that I find is easiest is when you conceal both the beginning of your brows first, making sure that they are at the same height. So you want to go ahead and do that. Start at the bottom, then go to the top. This helps a lot because you don't really have to conceal the ending of your brows perfect. Once you have done that, then you can go ahead and conceal the rest of your brows. It is best to start at the bottom of your brows first rather than the top. As you know, brows are not twins, they are sisters, so they don't have to look exactly alike. Next, you want to grab a buffer brush and blend out the concealer. You want to make sure to blend this out perfectly, especially if you're only doing your brows and you won't be putting on any foundation or face powder. Lastly, don't try to overdo it with your brows. If you have already concealed and blended out, don't try to go back in and do anything else. I mean, you can if you want to, but just don't do it too much because then you'll see that you're actually messing up your brows rather than fixing it. Trust me, sis, I've been there and it just wasn't. Just trust me. And that's basically it. I like to set my brows with a little bit of setting powder just so that it can stay in place for the whole day. And since I'm not using any foundation right now, I like to grab some aloe vera gel and wipes and wipe off the excess concealer at the top. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what other types of tutorial you want me to do next. I'll see you in my next video.